Hi, I'm Laurel Guy, and today we're in a terrific house with tremendous views. 33 Etna Road has had a long list of updates and improvements. Originally built in 1900, this modern farmhouse is cozy, comfy, with fresh attitude and style. The kitchen has such great light and views, and it opens to the deck. Imagine the parties you'll have out here. And it overlooks this beautiful yard with views, fruit trees, a wildlife pond, and a fire pit. Plus this fantastic flexible multi-purpose room. Use it as a family room, guest suite, home office. It has its own kitchenette and full bath and separate entrance. Large master with cathedral ceiling, walk-in closet, and check out the view. All interiors are freshly painted, and this bath is newly renovated with custom built-ins and beautiful tile work. It's minutes from Cornell, TC3, and shopping. You're going to want to move right in, put your feet up, and stay a while. 33 Etna Road.